In this video, we're going to show you how to install the taillights on your Nissan Murano located on the rear of the vehicle. The process for the driver's side is the same as the passenger side. Now with the hatch lifted up, you're going to go ahead and access this little trim panel right here. In most cases, you can just grab that and pop that off. Go ahead and set that aside. This is going to expose two 10mm bolts right here. Go ahead and grab that socket and a ratchet. Let's loosen and remove these. Now that this is loose here, if you follow the taillight around to the body side, there's going to be a couple plastic sockets and metal studs that we need to separate. Let's go ahead and get to it. Now we want to go ahead and use a trim tool around the perimeter here, but what I like to do is clean up a little bit around the edge, and I'm going to apply a little bit of tape around the perimeter here. And what this is going to do is this is going to protect the paint. While holding the taillight, we're going to put our trim tool in here and pry outward like so. Now right here is the harness for the taillight. We do want to press on this little tab down below while holding the taillight. This might be a little trick in itself. You can press on this little tab. Good, pop this little clip out of the body here. Before installing the taillight, go ahead and clean this up. If you want to, it's not necessary, but it's always good to give that a good wipe down. We can also go ahead and remove our tape because we're not going to need a tool, at least on that side there, to install. I'm going to go ahead and take our connector, line this up, press it together. You should hear it and feel it click. Press that in. Now this did come with a little wire tie on here. We're going to pop that off, line up the studs here, tuck that harness down inside, and all we got to do is gently push this in. Okay, push that into the body. Let's go ahead and install the bolts. Okay, line up the bolt holes here. Get those bolts started. And we'll go ahead and snug those down. Now when the bottom's out, just give it a little bit more. You don't have to over tighten this here because it's just plastic and you don't want to crack the plastic on the mount. Bottomed out just a little bit more. With the taillight secured, we're now going to install our cap here. There's a little tab here and a couple here and here that need to line up. There it is. At this point here, you're all set. You want to repeat that process for the passenger side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.